In a dramatic turn of events, the fate of the upcoming midterm elections hangs in the balance as a federal court intervenes in the highly charged political arena of redistricting. But is this judicial decision a fair move or a controversial overreach? The story unfolds in Texas, where a federal court has dealt a significant blow to the state's plans for the midterms by blocking the use of a newly crafted U.S. House map. This map, drawn with Republican interests in mind, has been deemed a likely unconstitutional racial gerrymander. The ruling is a setback for President Trump and the GOP, who had strategically focused on Texas as part of a nationwide campaign to reshape electoral maps. But here's where it gets controversial. The court mandates Texas to revert to its previous map, which could potentially shift the balance of power in the House. With Republicans currently holding a slim majority, the 5 seats in question could be crucial. The new map aimed to flip these seats from Democratic to Republican, sparking a nationwide redistricting frenzy. U.S. District Judge Jeffrey Brown, appointed by Trump, found that the map likely violated racial gerrymandering laws. However, the decision wasn't unanimous. It split the 3-judge panel, with a Reagan appointee dissenting. This division hints at the complexity and potential for differing interpretations of the law. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton, a Republican, vowed to appeal, claiming the map was legal and intended to better represent Texas's political landscape. But the ruling was based on a letter from the Trump administration's Justice Department, warning Texas of potential legal action due to its unconstitutional coalition districts, where no single racial group holds a majority. Judge Brown's decision didn't hold back, criticizing the DOJ's letter for its numerous errors. He also highlighted the Texas Attorney General's own legal team's criticism of the letter. This internal disagreement adds an intriguing twist to the narrative. Texas Democrats, who had fought against the new map, celebrated the ruling, calling it a victory against a brazen attempt to undermine democracy. Meanwhile, the Justice Department is challenging similar Democratic-drawn maps in California, arguing that they were racially motivated, despite being sold as partisan efforts. As the legal battles continue, the question remains, is this judicial intervention a necessary check on power or an overstepping of boundaries? The answer may lie in the hands of the U.S. Supreme Court, as this case could set a precedent for how far states can go in redrawing electoral maps. And this is the part most people miss: the potential impact on the balance of power in Congress.